Hello friends, welcome back to the one video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go to this Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix and solve talkback problem on Realme phone device. Friends, you have this setting, you have this problem, and friends you are not operating your Realme phone device, so how to fix and solve this problem. So guys, we call it talkback problem, and friends now let's see how to fix and solve talkback problem on Realme phone device. So friends, use your two finger, one tap guys here, double tap here, and once you want to close any app, so you can close. And once your phone screen is off, your Realme phone screen is off, so friends how to unlock phone when talkback is on. So use your two finger, because guys if you use one finger you cannot swipe here. Friends click on phone setting, friends double tap here, friends click on Bluetooth setting, and friends scroll your screen with two finger, because guys if you use one finger you cannot scroll here. Friends click on additional setting, double tap here friends, and friends you can see accessibility setting, one tap here and double tap here. Friends one tap here, guys again use your two finger, direct friends you can double tap, and friends you can double tap with one finger also, double tap here, double tap here. Stop setting guys, one tap here, and friends double tap, your problem will solve. Double tap here guys, your problem will solve, and friends you can use guys your Realme phone without talkback problem. Friends you can see problem will solve. And friends you can solve this problem with shortcut setting also. First of all guys we will on again talkback. After on guys you can use your talkback with two finger guys, one tap, double tap, one tap, double tap. So two finger we can use friends talkback setting, one finger we cannot use it. So friends you want to solve talkback problem with shortcut setting. So friends how to solve talkback problem. Friends one tap on phone setting, friends continue, double tap here, friends click on search option, double tap here, friends click here, T A L K B. Friends you can see talkback, one tap here, and friends double tap here, continue. Friends click on talkback, double tap here, double tap here, one tap, double tap. Your problem will solve. And friends you can use guys your Realme phone way without talkback problem. One finger you can lock a screen, you can unlock your phone. So like that friends we can solve talkback problem on Realme phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.